Good morning students, welcome back to the online classes. This is session 2 on rational numbers. Students, yesterday we have learnt various types of numbers and we have learnt the definition of a rational number. Today we are going to continue from the definition of rational number. You know, rational number is a number of the form p by q, where p and q, that is numerator here p, the denominator q, are integers where q should not be 0. That means in the form of p by q, the denominator should not be non-zero number. And yesterday we have even seen examples for rational number 2 by 3, which is in the form of p by q, satisfying both the conditions. Denominator 3 is not 0, it is a non-zero number, so it is a rational number. Minus 5 by 9, both minus 5 and 9 are integers. Denominator 9 is non-zero number, so it is also a rational number. Next, minus 56 is also a rational number. You may get doubt that how this integer minus 56 is a rational number. I explained you yesterday how minus 56 is also a rational number, as it can be written as minus 56 upon 1, satisfying the condition of rational number p and q, that is here p minus 56, q 1 being integers and 1 being non-zero number is also a rational number. Whereas from this I can conclude that all the negative integers are rational numbers which can be written with the denominator 1. Next, similarly 8 is also positive integer which can be written in the form of 8 by 1. It is also a rational number since it is satisfying the conditions of definition rational number. Similarly, 0 is also written in the form of 0 upon 1, or it can be even written as 0 upon any non-zero number. So that satisfies the condition of rational number, and that is why we can say all the integers, that is negative integers, positive integers and 0 which can be written with the denominator 1, so they are called as rational numbers. Now you may get doubt that how could be 1.25 is a rational number? This decimal number 1.25, how it could be a rational number? I explained you yesterday that it can be written as 125 upon 100, where 125 upon 100 satisfies the condition of the definition rational number, and we can say it is rational number. Whereas it is not in a simple form, as there is a common factor between numerator 125 and denominator 100, through which it can be cancelled, through which both numerator and denominator can be cancelled. What is the common factor of this 125 and 100? It is 25. So with that, if we cancel both 125 and 100, we get a number 5 upon 4, which now satisfies the definition of rational number. That is how this decimal number is a rational number. Now we get a question Are all the decimal numbers are rational numbers? Obviously, here 1.25 is a rational number. It does not mean that all the decimal numbers are rational numbers. Let me provide you one example which you may get doubt in converting it into the form of P by Q. For example, it is 1.34021506 and so on. Here this decimal number whose decimal places are not ending and even not repeating. So, such numbers cannot be converted into the form of P by Q. So, this decimal number is not a rational number, which we are going to learn in detail the types of these numbers, meaning of them in our next class, 9th standard. For this moment, I will tell you there are such decimal numbers which cannot be converted into the form of P by Q. So, we cannot call them as rational numbers, and their name is irrational numbers. We will be learning in detail the definition, meaning of irrational numbers in our class 9th standard. Now, for today